I asked my date to meet me at the gym, but she didn't show up. I guess we aren't going to work out. You're welcome. Oh yeah, that'll just slide by there, I think. Just want to be between the two. You know what I mean? The two ridges?
Okay.
Yeah, that'll work.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Okay, now you cut it.
Did you see it through those 290s?
Yeah. That's what we had to go to the store for today.
Yeah, because this here is running into the strapping. And it would have ran into a ridge that I don't feel like trying to fit that thing on the other side on.
No.
Well, attempting to see what I'm doing. I feel like I had way more room when I did this before.
Cool.
This always feels wrong, eh?
Yeah.
Good.
Cut.
Just put a little hole through there.
Yeah, there's the stink pipe.
Vents ready. We get a 4-inch down to a 1/2 inch conversion.
Yeah.
Violent.
Yeah, it is.
At least we just had a big hole saw, eh?
Yeah.
I could do it with cutters.
Instead of your actual saw?
Well, I don't know how it's going to be sitting there with that.
Yeah.
Why don't you just pass me the snips? I'll see if it's hard or not.
Yeah.
Pretty sure that's how I did it before.
Oh.
Do we have the red ones?
I don't know. I'll pass you these while I look. How about that?
We get the cut on them so we can cut a circle.
I thought we had them here, but I don't see them.
Hey,
Yeah?
want to pass me my gloves? This stuff's pretty sharp.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe I should try the Sawzall.
Okay.
You got most of it cut, but
For the last little bit or something?
yeah, I just don't think I'd be able to see, that's all, with the Sawzall.
Oh.
Because I can't see that well now. Like this, zing,
Mm.
and then zing. I could probably do that with the Sawzall.
Okay. Good luck.
Yeah.
Fit yet?
Looks like that's a hard no.
Almost.
Hard for me to see where it isn't fitting.
Yeah, right. It's so bright.
It's handy though.
Yeah, it is right close. Just the tiniest bit more, it looks like. My eye! It's kind of trippy looking through the hole because you can see the clouds that are like going by a little bit.
It's like a skylight, eh?
Are you kidding me? Come on. Fit now?
Oh yeah, it fits in, eh? You just gotta make sure this is lined up.
Yeah.
You know, I should put a mark here or something. I could cut that up top after.
Yeah. There you go. You're in.
But I think it'll work there.
Yeah.
I just have to straighten this out, right? Yeah, that's gonna work like there. What I wanted to do is mark it before I glue this, so I knew where to set it. So once you get the glue in the friggin' thing.
Oh. Glue schmoo. Do you really need it?
Yeah. Gonna have to pull it out and then put it back.
Yeah. Really got it in there good. Now you gotta take it out. Got it? He's dancing with the pole. Golly. Oh my. Woo! He's a pole dancer. Oh, it's out.
What's gonna be tough though
Yeah.
is getting that through here once I have the concrete stuff in there.
Yeah.
You
It
know?
has to be in the exact right spot.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, screw it up now. Lined up.
I wonder if it'd be easier to put the pipe on this first.
Yeah.
And then put it in that. If I put it in there,
Yeah, yeah.
then you line it up to where it's at.
Yeah,
But I mean, you gotta put the stuff in it.
yeah.
And
That
then-
looks pretty easy.
We'll put it back in and then try it. If it doesn't work, then we'll just do it the other way. Oh, I just had a smell that I was in the army.
Oh, that's funny.
Like when you like are warm in your sleeping bag.
So like sweat.
No,
And then somebody farts.
Oh, okay.
no, not those.
Gee.
This is way harder than the last one. Because it just went straight up the last place. There wasn't all these bends and stuff.
Oh, right.
Well, that's on there.
That's good. Got it.
Now if I can pull that, I should be able to pull that back down.
As soon as you put some glue in.
Please stay there.
Nice. Way to go, Daddy.
All right, that's all right.
Yeah, big boy, Daddy. Do that. That was a
Now I
bit
gotta cut it because it's like 4 feet high
of-
up there.
Yeah, that was a bit of work.
Doesn't look overly plumb.
It'll look better once you cut it down, though. It's probably like, and put
Oh,
that
it'll be
thing
fine
on
with the
it.
stuff on it.
Yeah. Yeah, birds.
Well, it should say. Hopefully.
I'd imagine.
Don't you go cutting yourself now.
Kind of random looking.
Yeah, no one's gonna.
Shave that down.
Oh yeah.
There.
Key right now is just to get it on.
We're good.
Yeah, we needed a cap, right? That's what that thing is.
Hey, what do you got
I
for
have
those
scissors.
What?
Yep, I have
Yeah,
scissors.
pass me those.
Scissors easier.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it, eh? That's good. What a pretty big job just putting a stink pipe in. Thank you.
There you go. The pipe looks big there, though, eh?
Yeah.
We're going off our plumber's recommendation. That's actually the code, though, too.
Yes.
But that's bigger than the one we had last time. I think we had a 3-inch pipe.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it takes 6 on each side.
Oh, wow.
I know, eh? I could straighten that part out.
Sand it down one day, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't matter.
No.
You won't see that ever from anywhere either, because it's way back here.
Mm-hmm.
Well, there it is. That'll do the trick. Maybe not the prettiest job ever, but the water will not go in there and stink will come out and not be in the cabin, so that's good. Hey?
Yeah.
But you know what is nice? Look at this. It's a nice view. They should put a deck up here. You can shoot a deer right down in there. Or over here. Or there. Or there. Or there. Or there. A little bit of an angle on her, but it doesn't look that bad. You'll never see it from the driveway. Oh yeah, and I set that thing up about 16 inches. So if some snow gathers there, we're not going to cover and hide the vent.